Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you are having a great day, and I say welcome back because, boys, it's been like a month since we've uploaded and nothing's changed on the Jeep at all. Now, just because nothing has changed does not mean that we don't have big things coming. I have made a decision over the past month. I've been sitting there pondering, thinking, trying to decide what I want to do. It's time, boys. It's time. We're going to start making things happen. And the only way that we're going to start making things happen is if we start fixing things. So there's a lot wrong with this Jeep. All right, so I'm going to be making a video within the next week that's going to be going over all the things that are wrong with my Jeep SRT. But in the meantime, we are going to be getting something fixed tomorrow. We do believe that the balancing might be off on the tires. So I'm getting some shake around 70, 73. So that's like a telltale sign that that's what it is. So our decision is to bring it and see if we can get it fixed. Now, that's happening tomorrow. That'll be another separate video. As long as I got 3 separate videos right there, baby. We're back. We're back, baby. But yeah, guys, so something's going on with the tires over here. There's a fly and he's living inside of my Jeep. But something's going on with the tires. Might be the balancing, might be the alignment. Not really sure. We're getting some shake. That video will be coming, but we're getting it fixed. We're getting it fixed. And that's a huge step for me because I haven't done anything to this Jeep. I tinted it. I put black lugs on it. Blacked those, did this. Put an exhaust on. That's pretty much the extent of the mods that we've done to the Jeep SRT so far. And you know, all the hype around it that I had has kind of died out because it's essentially the same thing, right? So that's why I took this past month and I was like, what do I want to do? Do I want to get a new vehicle? Do I want to you know, get something else, like maybe build a Hellcat? Like I could have obviously got a Trackhawk if I wanted, but you know, I don't know, TRX. Those are kind of like the options, like if I want to stay inside the Mopar family, you know. But I decided I haven't really even touched this Jeep yet. I haven't done anything fun that I wanted to do with it yet. So that's what we're gonna do. But if we want to start doing the cool stuff, want to start doing the fun stuff, we have to fix it first. Now to fix it, it's gonna probably be expensive. There's some stuff where, you know, like the hood bubbling here. You guys have seen this and you've seen me complain about it. I'm going to talk about that in like a whole nother video, but we are going to be getting that fixed. That's under warranty. So I'll be taking you guys through that process. So if you have that hood bubbling, then hopefully you can follow along and hopefully do it to your Jeep if you understand the process, and maybe it's not that hard. We'll see. Along with that, like I said, we are going to be getting the tires rebalanced and rotated. I did get an oil change, guys. This is big for me. I never go get an oil change, but boys, we got an oil change. We got an oil change. Now, even though we got the oil change, I'm gonna make a whole separate, we got so many videos, boys. We're going for 2 or 3 videos every single week, starting now until at least the end of the year. Now, I say now until the end of the year, but it's probably gonna keep going. You know, I did a 1.5 years of uploading 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. So today I've made the decision that that's, you know, we're going back to it. We're going back to the grind. We want this thing to grow. We want to hit the moon and maybe land in the stars. Whatever that saying is, that's what we're going for. So hopefully we can, you know, switch things up a little bit here on the channel and start making some better content and making things a little bit better. Like I said, I was really caught up in the numbers and just the overall fact that like the channel has been staying consistently the same no matter if I bought an SRT, uploaded more, uploaded less, tried better thumbnails, tried better content, whatever it was, tried weird ideas, whatever it was that I was trying to do, it just wasn't changing. So, you know, it's a numbers game at the end of the day, but I'm trying to, you know, pull myself out of that and just make some enjoyable content and do some fun stuff with the Jeep and some stuff that you guys are going to enjoy again, because like I haven't been doing anything fun or mod like or anything, and part of it is 1, the money, but I can make it work, and 2, you know, we're just gonna start doing some small stuff. You know, maybe we'll delete this. You know, we're just gonna go around, do some little fun stuff, get things rolling, get things fixed, and then from there we'll really be able to ramp this thing up and start doing some really cool fun stuff. I want to wrap it, you know, I want to do a little thing down here, whatever, the splitter thing, or the, why can't I think of what it's called? Yeah, the front splitter thing. I cannot think of it for the life of me. Maybe we'll be doing that soon. I want to lower it. I think I might just do some springs for now because it costs a lot and it's a huge deal to do bags, and I don't really feel like paying someone a bunch of money or anything. I would like to do it myself, and it's something that maybe I don't want to do right now, so that's something. We got to replace this thing because it's cracked and messed up. We got to figure this out. I haven't even really showed you guys that. We'll talk about that in that other video. So if you're watching this video in the future and not when it was uploaded, then make sure you do check that video out where I talk about all the things wrong with my Jeep SRT, because that's one of them. And you know, I got to figure it out because it's not very fun. So yeah, guys, over the past month or so, I've just really been sitting there and pondering what I want to do with the channel here and what I want to do. I do have another channel. I have 2 businesses. And I just got a lot going on. You know, I've work and that and this channel. It's like basically 17 full-time jobs that I do at once. So you know, it's hard, and try and manage it. So that's what we're trying to do, is just bring this channel right back to its glory days with better content though. That's kind of what my ideal is. I want it to be what it was before, but better. You know, like I want to be doing mods, doing consistent uploads, and just doing some fun stuff with you guys. You guys enjoy. Maybe we'll have some meets. Maybe I'll go to some car meets here towards the end of the season. I'm just going to start doing whatever I think is going to be fun and what you guys will hopefully enjoy. Because yeah, it's been bad, boys. Numbers have been steadily consistent. And they haven't gone up or down. You know, sometimes they have little spikes, but I think it's been growing consistently. I mean, we're coming up on 21,000 subscribers now, which is crazy. I remember when we had 1,000 subscribers, and that was huge for me. And now we're at 21,000 like a year and a half later. So that's awesome. And on that note, would you guys like to see a video talking about like the whole story of how this channel had become to where it is now? And basically growing like 21,000 subscribers and making X amount of dollars in like a year and a half, which went from a Jeep Altitude to an SRT, which is really, really crazy to me that I was able to accomplish that. And I want to show you guys how I did it and kind of talk about that, because that's kind of another one of my passions that I'm really into. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below. But I'm just kind of rambling in this video, and yeah, it's been a while. So how are you guys doing? Let me know down below if you guys have been good. If you have, then you know, thumbs up. That's good. I'm happy for you. And if you haven't, let me know why. Maybe we can make it a little bit better here with some new content that'll hopefully pull you away from those bad days. That's another thing. I want to be super, super positive on the channel from now on. No more bad stuff. And if we're talking about bad stuff, we're talking about how we're fixing it, and we're talking about the good that can come from it. I guess. I mean, some of it can, but it's fine. So yeah, guys, new videos on the way. Fun stuff, entertaining content, mods, all of it. We're doing it, and we are coming back to our roots, and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure you smash the like button down below. Comment, like I said, anything. Let's get that community going down there again. Let's get some talking going on, and hopefully we can bring the community back together and grow it. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every, not really sure when, but they will be going live, so make sure to subscribe with that bell rang so you can be notified when they do go live. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. I feel like I am losing